Hey guys, this is Team Standout. Hope you're doing well. We are back with another brand new video. Today, we will talk about a few rules about how you can dominate the world of affiliate marketing. We are going to share strategies that will help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is also known as performance-based online marketing. In affiliate marketing, you are required to promote products or services of other companies. You can make a commission when you bring in leads or sales for the products you're promoting. Building up an effective affiliate marketing plan usually requires you to have a good deal of traffic flowing towards your website or blog. At the same time, you need to consider products or services that match well with the audience type in order to bring in conversions. As an affiliate, you need to work hard and get your visitors interested in your product. A good way to get sales is by promoting different products on your site, but there are many other affiliates out there doing the same thing, so it can become very competitive. Here are a few strategies that will set you apart from the crowd. Number 1. Prioritize the quality of the leads, not quantity. One of the most common mistakes that an aspiring affiliate marketer may make is relying on quantity over quality. When you look at the importance of clicks instead of their quality, it can have some negative consequences. There's a common strategy that many sellers try, where people used automated bots to generate thousands of clicks and a potential commission. What you have to understand is that brands pay affiliates based on conversions, which only real leads can fulfill. So, it's always a good idea to focus on the quality of the leads instead of the quantity. Focus more on conversions, not commissions. The most successful affiliate marketers don't just chase high commission rates. Instead, they pick brands that have a good conversion rate and grow their influence that way. At times, it may happen that you come across affiliate programs that give a large amount of commission. What you might not notice is that it may have a low conversion rate. So, it might not be that easy to earn money because you'll be needing a large number of clicks to generate conversions. Therefore, you would want to choose affiliate programs that have lower commissions and higher conversion rates. In this way, you will be able to ensure a steady flow of income. Engage with your audience. Make sure you focus your efforts towards people who are most likely to convert. Engage with people that are similar to the audience you want to target or are looking for something that you can help them with. Follow discussions on sites like Facebook, Twitter, Quora, and Reddit. Keep an eye out on the questions that the users are asking and the responses that are garnering the most attention. Try to respond to these users by sharing your thoughts and including your affiliate link to a product or service that can make things easier for them. If you run a blog, you can also allow your visitors to comment on your blog posts. This will give you the opportunity to start a conversation with them. This will make them keep returning to your blog section. Choose your affiliate product carefully. Promoting a quality product is the best way to go, and promotion should always be backed up with a first-hand experience of the product. You need to know about an affiliate program and its benefits before you promote it. We suggest you get in touch with anyone affiliated with the company you're joining and see if they have strong communication in place. It's also important that they provide good customer service so that your business is in safe hands. Always remember that your image is extended to the product you are promoting. You will be able to have a good reputation only if your customers are satisfied with the product or the service they bought from you. You can also look at other affiliates' work to get inspiration for your own promotional efforts. Creating a piece of content that works well is a great way to get more people on board with your product. Create a robust subscriber list. Once you start to see a steady increase in your popularity, try to build a brand and a loyal following. This can be done by creating a blog or a website where you can share deals to attract customers. Keep your followers engaged and grow your revenues even further by providing a weekly or daily newsletter. Let them know that there is an incentive right now if they sign up. You also have to make sure the emails that you're sending to your subscriber list are relevant to them. One example of this is sending out Deal of the Day emails, which can help you with adding value to your emails by including tips on how others are using the products you are selling. Track and measure your efforts. Affiliate marketing is just like any other marketing program to connect with the target audience and generate revenue. Thus, without any monitoring, you might not realize what's working and what isn't with your current strategies. To see what your customers are responding to, make good use of the tools offered by your affiliate network to track how well each of your affiliate links is performing. The more you use these tools, the more you'll be able to get an insight into the loopholes that need to be corrected. Always remember, every complaint raised is a new opportunity found. Building a successful business is a process. It can't be rushed. Affiliate marketing may not lead to quick riches, but it's still one of the best ways to monetize your existing skills or expertise. You need to invest your time and energy in order to build a stable income stream. Human relationships are the most valuable thing in business. If you create content that serves your followers and focuses on building trust, you will be able to turn more of them into lifelong customers. That's all for today's video. We hope you can take this as an inspiration to start your affiliate marketing journey. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.